In a small, quiet village, there lived a girl who never said no, and that one habit slowly destroying her life. If you are someone who is too kind, then this story is for you. Hello everyone, I am Shathi and welcome back to my channel English with Shathi. Today we are going to build our English vocabulary through a story. This method is very powerful because when you learn words through a story, you remember them for a long time. So first, listen to the story carefully and try to notice the word you don't understand. After the story, I will explain all the words in a super simple way. So let's begin. In a small, quiet village, there lived a girl named Meera. Meera was known for her kindness. She helped everyone, friends, neighbors, even strangers. Even when it was inconvenient for her, she never said no. At first, people admired her. They respected her and appreciated her nature. But slowly, things began to change. People stopped appreciating her help. Instead, they started expecting it. They knew no matter what, Meera would always agree. And Meera keeps saying yes. Even when she was tired, even when she had her own problems, even when she wanted to rest, she smiled and agreed. Her generosity had no limit, but not everyone was genuine. One day, her closest friend came to her again. Meera, can you help me one more time? Meera was already exhausted. She had so much to do. For a moment, she felt like saying no, but she didn't. She smiled and said, okay. A few days later, she discovered the truth. Her friend wasn't in trouble. She was simply using Meera for her personal gain. The moment hurt deeply. Meera felt betrayed, not angry, just quietly hurt. That night, she sat alone, thinking, why does this always happen to me? She whispered. For the first time, she didn't blame others. She looked at herself. The next day, she went to meet her teacher. After listening carefully, the teacher said, Meera, being kind is good, but being naive is dangerous. Meera stayed silent. The teacher continued, you must learn to distinguish between genuine people and selfish ones. And you must set boundaries. Those words stayed in her mind. On her way home, she kept thinking, and slowly she understood everything. The problem was not her kindness, it was her inability to say no. She was afraid of losing people, but in trying to please everyone, she was losing herself. From that day, Meera didn't stop being kind. She was still helpful, still caring, but this time she was also careful when something felt wrong. She didn't ignore it. When someone crossed the line, she stepped back. And when needed, she said no. Slowly, people stopped using her because now she respected herself, and when you respected yourself, others learn to do the same. Kindness makes you good, but boundaries make you strong. So, this was the story. Now, let's learn something powerful from it. Now, I am going to explain all the important words from this story. So, listen carefully. Inconvenient. Have you ever helped someone even when it created problem for you? That is inconvenient. Inconvenient means something that creates difficulty or trouble for you. মানে যেটা করতে গেলে তোমার অসুবিধা হয়. For example, if you are tired but still help someone, this is inconvenient. Generosity. Do you help people without expecting anything else? That is generosity. Generosity means the habit of giving and helping others freely. মানে উদারভাবে সাহায্য করার যে স্বভাব, that is called generosity. For example, Meera's generosity made everyone depends on her. Genuine. Can you always trust everyone? No, right? Because not everyone is genuine. Genuine means real, honest, not fake. মানে সত্যিকারের, ভান করা নয়. For example, a genuine friend support you, not use you. Exhausted. Have you ever feel so tired that you don't even want to talk? That is exhausted. Exhausted means extremely tired mentally and physically. মানে খুব বেশি ক্লান্ত. For example, after helping everyone, Meera felt completely exhausted. Betrayed. Have you ever trusted someone and they hurt you? That is betrayed. Betrayed means someone breaks your trust. মানে বিশ্বাস ভেঙে দেওয়া. For example, she felt betrayed after knew the truth. Knife. Do you believe everything people say without thinking? That means you are naive. Not nice. Naive means too innocent and easily fooled. মানে সরল মনা সহজে ঠকানো যায়. For example, she was naive, so everyone took advantage of her. Distinguish. Can you understand the difference between real and fake people? Distinguish means to understand the difference, okay? মানে পার্থক্য বুঝতে পারা. For example, you must distinguish between good and bad people. Boundaries. Do you feel uncomfortable and still say yes? That means you don't have boundaries. Boundaries means a limit that you set to protect yourself. মানে নিজেকে রক্ষা করার জন্য একটা সীমা ঠিক করা. For example, saying no when you don't feel right, it's setting boundaries. So today you don't just learn English word, you learn how to use it in your real life. So if you are kind, don't stop being kind, but learn how to protect yourself. Because kindness without boundaries always turns into pain. If you want to learn English in a way you never forget, follow English with Shathi. See you in the next video.